Are you a chosen one? If that question resonates with you, it may be because you've always felt a bit different. Perhaps more intuitive, more empathetic, or simply more aware of the energies around you than others seem to be. Today we look deep into a law of attraction hack that's specially tailored for individuals like you. This isn't about general advice that broadly applies to everyone. It's about harnessing your unique traits to activate the law of attraction in powerful ways that align with your personal journey. Being a chosen one isn't about being superior or elite. It's about recognizing that you have been equipped with specific traits that can significantly impact your life and the lives of others around you. You likely have a strong sense of purpose and feel driven to pursue paths that lead to deeper understanding and service. Your role involves not just knowing about these traits, but actively using them to contribute to a greater good. Your heightened sense of empathy allows you to feel what others feel, making you particularly good at understanding people's needs and emotions. This can be a double-edged sword. It enables you to connect deeply with others, but it can also lead you to absorb the negative energies of those around you. That's where the law of attraction comes in. By understanding and managing your energies, you can protect yourself from negativity and focus more on positive outcomes, not just for yourself, but for all those you influence. At its core, the law of attraction is simple. Like attracts like. This means that whatever you focus on in your thoughts and feelings, you start to attract into your life. For someone like you, this principle is crucial. Your thoughts and emotions are powerful tools that can shape your reality. When you focus on positive outcomes, you set the stage for them to manifest in your life. But this isn't about ignoring the negative aspects of life or pretending they don't exist. It's about choosing to focus your energy and attention on what will create positive change. While a chosen one, you have a unique ability to influence your environment significantly. This means you can tailor the law of attraction to meet your specific needs and enhance your natural abilities. The key hack we'll explore is intentional isolation for enhanced clarity. This technique involves setting aside time to be alone with your thoughts, away from the distractions and energies of others. This isn't about loneliness. It's about creating a space for your mind and spirit to breathe, declutter, and refocus. Intentional isolation helps you clear out mental and emotional clutter, which can often cloud your ability to focus and manifest your desires. For someone intuitive and empathetic, visualization isn't just a practice. It's a natural skill that can be honed. The visualization techniques I'll introduce are designed not just to help you see what you want to achieve, but also to feel it, as if it's already happening. The emotional component of visualization is critical because it adds a powerful charge to your thoughts, which helps to bring them to life. You'll learn to visualize scenarios where you're not only achieving your goals, but also aiding others in their journey, thereby expanding the scope of your impact. Incorporating daily practices into your routine is crucial for maintaining a high vibrational state that aligns with the law of attraction. For you as a chosen one, these practices aren't just routines. They are essential tools that fine-tune your natural abilities and help keep your energy focused and clear. Let's discuss a few effective practices. First, consider journaling. This isn't simply writing down what happened during your day, but rather a focused reflection on your thoughts, emotions, and the synchronicities that may seem coincidental, but are often signs aligned with your path. Use your journal to pose questions to yourself and explore the answers that come naturally to you. This practice helps clarify your thoughts and desires, making it easier for you to manifest them. Next, meditation is invaluable. Spending time in meditation daily helps you detach from the chaotic energies that can disrupt your emotional balance. It allows you to center yourself, calming your mind and reinforcing your intentions with the universe. Through meditation, you find the silence and peace necessary to let your intuition speak loudly, guiding you towards actions that align with your highest good. Affirmations are powerful for reinforcing your belief in your abilities and the possibilities that await you. These aren't just positive statements of declarations of your reality as you choose it to be. Craft affirmations that resonate deeply with who you are and your capabilities as a chosen one. Statements that fortify your resolve and remind you of the positive impacts you are destined to make. While you accept these practices and harness your abilities more fully, you will likely encounter specific challenges. Recognizing and overcoming these challenges is crucial to effectively using the law of attraction in your life. One common challenge is emotional overwhelm. Due to your deep empathy, you might find yourself taking on the emotions and burdens of others unintentionally. It's important to learn how to shield yourself from negative energies. Techniques such as grounding, where you visualize your energy connecting deeply into the earth, can be very helpful. Grounding helps you release these energies back into the earth and maintain your emotional balance. Another challenge is the feeling of being misunderstood by those around you. As a chosen one, your path and methods might not always align with conventional expectations. It's vital to connect with like-minded individuals who understand and support your journey. There might be times when your intuitive decisions might seem illogical or premature to others. Trusting your intuition when it goes against the grain requires courage and conviction in your role as a chosen one. Your path is unique, and what feels right for you may not make sense to others immediately. While we wrap up this video, remember that your journey as a chosen one is uniquely yours. The insights and practices shared today are tools to help you harness your innate abilities and align them with the universal laws that govern our existence. By adopting intentional isolation for clarity, employing powerful visualization techniques, integrating daily practices like journaling, meditation, and affirmations, and learning to navigate the challenges specific to your nature, you are setting yourself on a path of profound personal and universal alignment. It's important to regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your practices as you grow and evolve. The law of attraction is dynamic, just like you. Its effectiveness is magnified by your commitment to understanding and adapting its principles to your continuously evolving journey. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Remember, the law of attraction is not just a tool, but a reflection of your inner state. As you continue to develop your abilities and deepen your understanding of these principles, you'll find that what you manifest aligns more closely with your highest aspirations. Our role as a chosen one is not just about personal fulfillment, it's about uplifting and transforming the world around you. Carry this responsibility with grace and confidence, knowing that you are never alone in your journey. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, responding to the vibrational call you emit through your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Now take these insights, apply them diligently, and watch as the world opens up to you in ways you've always known were possible.